So your CD that's coming out in America tomorrow is called Never Regret.
Never Regret.
It includes your hit song, Out of My Head, we're playing on Froggy. You'll hear that in a few minutes, but you're going to do a song off the record.
Yeah, I'm going to do, you know what, I wanted this album to be a little more up-tempo, a little more upbeat. So this is the first song, when you plug it in, this will be the first song you hear right here.
Craig Campbell live in the Froggy studio.
2, 3. Just blew through another red light, but the cop on the corner was sipping his coffee. Speed limit might say 35, but 65's where it would have clocked me. Yeah. I'm on the way picking up my baby. She's sitting on the front porch waiting. And when I get there, don't you know, gonna get in the truck and roll like the Mississippi slow, like sipping on whiskey, go round the world on a country road. And who knows where we might end up, Lord knows we're gonna have a short enough good time no matter where we go, when we get in the truck and roll. Get in the truck and roll. Give me 4 wheels and a little Tulane. My baby's gonna be my little wildflower. And give me that radio playing George Strait, 'cause I know she'll wanna turn it up louder. Yes, she will. Where the blacktop winds through the pasture, I'll be taking those right curves faster, 'cause I want that pretty girl sitting real close when we get in the truck and roll like the Mississippi slow, like sipping on whiskey, go around the world on the country road. Who knows where we might end up, Lord knows we're gonna have a short enough good time no matter where we go, when we get in the truck and roll. Somewhere we might pull off, out there where the whippoorwill calls. Grab a sleeping bag if that's what she wants, and let it unroll while we're sipping on whiskey. And take it slow like the Mississippi. When we get in the truck and roll like the Mississippi slow, like sipping on whiskey, go around the world on a country road. And who knows where we might end up, Lord knows we're gonna have a short enough good time no matter where we go, when we get in the truck and roll. When we get in the truck and roll. Hop up in the truck and roll.
Craig Campbell live in the Froggy studio this afternoon.
Thank you.
Right, I like that one.
You like it?
Yeah,
Oh, man.
that's a feel-good song.